Alright, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are at Project Haraya. I was literally here like 2 days ago to film the update video for the WRX, but we're back again today so that I can pick up the wing to go get it fixed. The problem is when the wing first got delivered to me, which was back in like 2021, it came with like a massive crack in the fiberglass. I can put up a photo now. But the first time we wrapped it, we just ignored it and we just wrapped over it. The problem is whenever it rains, water gets into the wing. So now that the car's getting unwrapped, I thought I'd take it off, get it fixed before we re-wrap it. So I've got the boys currently taking it off the car, taking the wrap off of it so that we can go to Daniel Gounder's. He's going to re-fiberglass it and then primer it so it's good to go when we re-wrap it. But yeah, let's get it.
This is so nice thing.
Bro, that's bad. Alright, wing has been acquired. As you saw from that last clip, there's still so much water in it, which is like the main reason why I want to get this fixed. Yeah, like I said earlier, every time it rains or I wash the car, the wing just gets filled with so much water, which is like low-key rusting that spot where it bolts onto the car. There was the option of buying a new wing, but it's like $800-900. I'd rather just get the fiberglass fixed. So yeah, we're heading to Daniel's now, and we'll take it from there. Hold on. Alrighty. Actually, let's go on this side. Sorry, I might have to go get the boys to fucking take it off and unwrap it. The side pieces.
Oh yeah.
Rust.
So it's the actual bolts that rusted?
Nah, bro, it's cracked. And because it's cracked, water gets in, bro.
Alright, let's bring
This
it
is
in.
it, yeah, let's go. Holy shit, it's bright. Oh, if I haven't seen this in a minute.
Yeah, it sits outside for the time being, bro. All the customers' cars are in the garage. Alright, show me what we need there.
So when this first came, it had a massive crack in it, which is the one that's here. And just like that.
Right.
But then installing it, there's like cracks here.
Ah, yeah.
And then there's another one here. But there's like shit everywhere.
Fuck, it's cracked the whole way, eh?
Yeah, because I think from like initially it was just this.
Yeah.
And I think just from like driving.
Jeez.
Is that bad?
It's not good. Definitely not good. Nah, you can fix it.
Yeah.
Fiberglass it from inside here.
Yeah. Oh,
See,
true.
like from there, like it's only joined by silicon.
Yeah.
Like the factory joint.
That's probably why it cracked.
That's definitely why it cracked.
Yeah.
Alright, we can fix it.
Yeah, hectic.
See that? All those bubbles and shit.
Yeah. Is
Get
that
rid
because
of
it's got them like underneath it?
Yeah, I reckon like water's probably getting in between like here.
Rusted that shit in.
Yeah, bro. And it just fucking... Oh, I can't swear.
No,
YouTube.
you can swear as much as you want, bro.
Bro, fuck this shit. Nah.
Fuck this wing.
Nah, you can see more on this one, like
Yeah,
all the
yeah,
bubbles
yeah.
and stuff. Like if I squeeze that, like look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's not
So
what
we'll
you're
strip
gonna
it
see.
back.
Yeah, I'll strip it back completely
And then
and then
primer
re-primer it, and then obviously you're gonna get it wrapped. So
Yeah.
the wrap will take care of that.
Sweet.
But yeah, that's not what we want to see.
Yeah.
We'll fix
No
that.
good, bro. No good at all.
No good.
Alright. I'll leave this for now and then I'll come back
We'll film more shit.
and then we can film
Oh yeah.
you fixing this shit. Make a brand new.
3 days later.
Yo.
We're back.
Oh yeah,
Let's crack it. Hi.
good, bro. How are you?
Getting ready to do this shit.
Fucking oath.
I got a sauce.
Yeah. I realised that this part here, where is it? This part here is going to be very hard to like fiberglass because like with this area here,
Yeah.
we can get behind it because it's open.
Yeah.
But this part here,
Still you can, bro.
yeah, we'll see what we can do. Worst case, it'll just have to be like a bit of filler work or something.
It's alright.
But
We'll see what we can do.
yeah, at least this.
Honestly, as long
this
as like
side
the
will be-
main like big one
Yeah,
here and stuff
that's
is
the main
fixed,
one.
that's alright.
Yeah, Let's get into it, eh? Can't tell if that's a split or if that's just glue. Okay, it's glue.
Sand it down.
Alright, what I'll do is, because that side cracked,
yeah,
I'm just gonna repair. I'm just gonna like reinforce it because like
it's
obviously
probably crack again.
Yeah, you don't want that side to crack, so we'll just do this side as well.
So you're sanding down so that the fiberglass can
sticks. Yeah, because if you just fiberglass over it, it's just gonna like peel off.
Yeah.
It's like it needs adhesion. So sweet.
No.
Time to fiberglass.
It needs the gym, lad. When are you coming back to YouTube, bro?
Bro, to be honest,
how long's it been since your last video?
It's been over a year, probably 2 years.
I don't know why you stopped.
A lot of people always ask me like, oh, you know, why'd you stop YouTube and shit? Bro, to be honest, I just can't be fucked editing. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
I don't mind getting in front of a camera. Like, I'm not fucking camera shy or anything.
Yeah, 100%. And you had some good traction at one point. Like,
yeah.
With the videos.
Like it was going alright. Like I was pretty happy with how YouTube was going, but I literally just can't be fucked editing. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, I'll do it for you, bro.
Yeah. Now another thing is like I don't like filming by myself. So like when I used to like hang out with like Zach and shit, like obviously it was more easier to film content. But like
100%.
bro, there's nothing more worse than like me fucking walking around the garage, holding the camera.
If
like,
you have like a shit day, like
like I don't know, it's like not like natural funny content. That's what I like posting.
Yeah.
So.
But you could do like informative stuff because I'm sure people want to see how.
Yeah, but I don't enjoy that. You know, I want to make content that I enjoy. I don't like. It's not that I don't enjoy making content. It's more so.
It's like depends what you're doing.
Yeah, I like being funny.
Yeah.
You know, I don't like doing boring shit.
Yeah, 100%.
Well, this is how you paint.
Yeah.
It's all repetitive. There's other people on YouTube that do that.
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you spraying this with? What are you spraying this with?
This is wax and grease remover. So there's gonna be like contaminants and just grease and shit on here. So just wiping it off. So
clean it up before you fiberglass.
Yeah, because we need the resin to stick.
Yep.
That's it.
Beautiful.
Do me a favour.
Yeah.
Just hold that like that for a sec. Oh, not there though. Hold it like here.
Oh,
yeah, hold it there.
I'm useful.
Finally doing some work.
I usually just hold the camera and let people do the work.
Sounds about right. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm cutting up strips of fiberglass like matting, so that way we can like lay it on the back, and then put the resin on top, and that's what holds it together.
Okay.
So, yeah. So this is
that's why you tape on the
This is what fiberglass is. This is fiberglass. Yeah, that's why I taped this side so it doesn't drip through the front.
Yeah.
But I mean, for this case, it wouldn't be the worst thing because you have the crack on the front too.
True, so like kind of fill it.
Yeah. But I'm just putting it there to stop it from like pouring out. Like it's just gonna stop there. So
Yeah. Makes sense.
we'll see what happens. I ran out of measuring cups, so a scale's gonna have to do. Oh, 1 more mil. Come on, you dog.
It went back.
There we go. 50 mils. Actually, 50 mils not gonna be enough.
Yeah.
Let's go 70. Bro, I just like bulk buy paintbrushes now from Bunnings.
Alibaba, bro.
Oh, straight out. No, but I don't want to be like fiberglassing and then the strands of fucking the brush like pull out.
That's right, it'll blend in with the fiberglass.
This was once my food scale.
Yeah,
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not
Now you
anymore.
just eat like a fat dog.
Yeah, now I don't track my calories, bro. My brother calls me fat. But
Is he not bulking, bro? What do you mean?
I'm bulking, but my brother just says I'm fat. Bro, I went to New Zealand, I came back and the first thing he says is, "You look fat."
Nice.
Bro. Not even a hello, not how was your holiday.
That's what you want to hear, bro.
It's just, you look fat.
How was your holiday?
Yeah, how was your holiday? No, none of that, it's just, you look fat.
So do you put the resin first and then fiberglass?
Yeah, so what I do, I'll show you here. So, put the resin first. So you just lay it on. I don't know how well you can see it from there.
Probably not.
No, have a look in this gap. So you put the resin everywhere. So you just paint it. and then you get the mat, and then you try and fit that in there.
And then resin on top?
Yeah, then your resin on top.
Yeah.
Like, it's a bit hard. Because you gotta like bend this thing in ways it doesn't want to be bent.
Hey, yo.
Don't worry, we got consent for that. And then you just paint over this with a very thick layer. Bro, this shit is itchy.
Oh, true.
Like when it gets
Don't want to be getting that on yourself.
Yeah.
And then do you let this dry and do multiple coats, or is it just the one?
So with this one, I would, so with that, I'll do like 3 or 4 coats, but I let it dry.
Yeah.
With this, I'll just do 2 layers, because like for this, we're not like trying to build something up. We're just trying to like basically strengthen it again and fill the cracks in.
Yeah.
So if I was trying to build something, I'd like make it like, you know, 2 to 3 mil thick.
Yeah.
With this, bro, like 2 layers, it's strong enough. It's not gonna crack again.
Not needed.
Yeah. You'd be surprised how strong this stuff is.
Yeah.
Bro. This resin's pretty strong.
And then for the other, do you know how there's the cracks on the bottom?
Yeah.
Are you gonna like fill that, or
Yeah. So you just use like a fiberglass body filler.
Yeah.
So it's not a resin. It's more like a paste type. Yeah.
How long does this shit take to dry?
Honestly, it always depends on like
Weather?
the weather, the temperature, also on how I mix this up. Like if I put more hardener in it, it's gonna dry quicker and stuff. But if you put too much hardener in, there's always the chance that this can crack because it's too hard, like it's over catalyzed.
Yeah.
So you want it to like naturally dry, not force it to dry. But yeah, it could be anywhere between like 8 hours to 12 hours to dry.
Do you reckon this is like your least favourite part of the job?
I wouldn't say least favourite, to be honest. I don't mind doing this kind of stuff. Because it's like, it's not hard, you know what I mean? Like, for me, it's not hard.
Time consuming, but?
Yeah, it's time consuming, but at the end of the day, bro, if it's not hard, then I don't hate it.
Yeah, true.
What I find hard is like buffing and polishing a car.
Yeah,
like
but you're like not a detailer.
Yeah. But usually like after I paint a car, I always like sand it back flat. Get rid of orange peel and get rid of the dust and shit, and then I have to buff it.
Like this is something you could definitely do on your own.
Yeah, you could definitely do this at home if you have like the tools and shit.
Yeah.
Or if you just,
and especially like I'm not painting it, it's just getting primer.
Yeah, like if you're wrapping the car, you can actually do this at home. Do it yourself, get it wrapped.
I'm just a lazy dog.
Yeah, if you're lazy like Nick, hit me up. I'll do it for you. Yeah. If you're lazy,
Gounder Garage.
And that's it.
Let it dry and that's it, huh?
Let it dry and then come back tomorrow and we just sand the front.
Yep.
Put our filler in and then we just primer it.
Sick.
So that's tomorrow's problem.
Nice and quick.
Yeah, it's not. It doesn't take long.
Fucking
if you know what you're doing, it doesn't take long.
Alrighty, we're back. It's the next day. I'm fucking starving. I'm tired. I'm getting some Guzman for breakfast. For those that don't know, Guzman breakfast is goated. After I grab food, we'll head to Daniel's. The plan for today is fill the rest of the cracks, sand them, primer them, get it ready for wrap. Should be done today, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna grab my food and head over. Back, bitches. Is this kind of dried? Yeah, big.
Remember that crack yesterday? Remember how we put that resin in there? And, so it should hold it together.
Do you have to sand that down? Or?
Yeah, we'll sand it down smooth. We're gonna sand the whole spoiler down anyways.
And then even those, eh?
Yeah, we're gonna sand those down. Because he had these random, I don't even know what that is.
I don't know, bro. I thought maybe from installing it, but there's nothing.
Oh, true. Nah, there's a screw. Your bolts are too long. Maybe cut your bolts down.
Maybe.
Yeah, you know what? That's probably right.
Yeah.
So there's a hole there.
Yeah. Could be it. Eh?
Did they give you the bolts or?
It came with the bolts.
Came with it, yeah. Right. Just maybe just chop them down. Just get shorter ones maybe. We'll just start sanding.
Beautiful. You're a Sony boy, aren't you?
I'm a Sony boy.
Nah, Canon's the way to go, bro.
Wow, the roles have reversed here.
He's hired me. Slave labor.
Alright, what are you doing here? Explain to me what you're doing.
I don't know, bro. You told me what to do. I'm sanding. Because what, you couldn't get in here with the tool?
The sander, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm doing a good job, but we'll find
Nah,
out.
looks good.
If anyone needs work done, hit me up.
Yeah. Newest employee at Gounder Garage. Comment down below if you think Nick did a good job in sanding.
Turns out shit to my
Nah, it looks good. That's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, you just want to like see how you can see like the light part and the dark part. Once you get rid of the dark part and it goes light, that's good.
Should I keep going?
No, that's alright. It's good. Yeah. It's good.
Oh, mate.
See, look at that.
Perfect.
Bro, it's made for it. So at least now I can get like the front side, the back side,
Yeah, beautiful.
everything.
Bro, that's made for that.
I can literally get on every angle.
Beautiful.
What I was gonna do was I was just gonna pop it up on that and bolt it. But
I mean, it sits pretty good on it, no?
that's
Yeah, beautiful.
in there anyways.
Let's get it in the booth.
Yeah, let's get in the booth.
Yeah.
Welcome to the booth.
This is sick.
Pretty cool.
Did you build this yourself?
Yeah.
Not bad at all. Oh, it's cutting here, man.
Yeah. Sweet. Like, now you can see it.
The primer ready, huh?
Getting the primer ready.
Oh, sure.
That's it. Okay, 4 to 1.
Oh, it smells good.
Smells nice, eh? it's bad for you though.
Nah, she'll be right.
Yeah, it's alright. 3.
Bro's a fucking wizard making potions.
Yeah. Just a mixture of random shit.
Yeah, hard.
Just hope for the best.
If it works, it works.
Well, we're about to find out if it works.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Just got forward the fucking...
I got this from IKEA. It's my gun safe. Not the gun that you're
You got a license for that, brother?
Yeah, bro. I got it from IKEA. I was like, that looks pretty sick, and then I needed somewhere to like store my guns.
Do you use these for different like things?
Yeah, so I use the blue one for base coat. I use the gold one for clear coat. I use the one behind that for solid colors.
Yeah.
So you don't know what that means, but yes.
No idea.
And then that's my mini spray guns for like small parts and
Yeah.
stuff.
And
And
this?
this is my primer gun. Yeah. So every gun has its use.
You can do another coat, I don't know.
Huh?
You can do another coat or not?
No, I'll probably just leave it at that. Because you're going to wrap over it anyway,
Yeah.
so it should be alright.
Yeah.
It was more so just to seal it all down.
Yeah.
So I'll just let these dry now.
He's kicking me out.
Yeah, you're basically getting told to
He's had enough of me. I've been here fucking 3 days, bro.
Yeah, I
No,
know.
we do.
We're just going to let this dry till tomorrow and then we'll sort it out from
Yeah,
there.
sick. Alright, primer's been slapped on. We're gonna let it dry for at least a day and then I'll pick it up from Daniel whenever I'm free. And then we can drop it back off to Project Haraya to get wrapped. Big thank you to Daniel. I hope you all enjoyed the behind the scenes process of getting the wing fixed. If you guys want to see more shit like that, I guess, just let us know. Alrighty, that's it guys. Like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed. New videos every week. Stay tuned. But yeah, that's it for this one. Peace.